Optimum Mobile's Wi-Fi calling allows you to make calls over a Wi-Fi network when cellular signal is weak. To set it up on iOS, go to Settings, then Phone, then Wi-Fi calling. Enable the feature, sign in with your Optimum Mobile account, and verify your emergency address. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi calling. Enable the feature, sign in with your account, and verify your emergency address. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal, preferably 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, an active Optimum Mobile plan, and that a VPN isn't interfering. This feature is compatible with most modern smartphones like iPhone 6 or later and Android devices running version 5.0 and up. Keep in mind that Optimum Mobile operates on Verizon's infrastructure. If Wi-Fi calling isn't working, start by verifying that it's toggled on and your Optimum account is correctly linked in your phone's settings. Next, restart your device and Wi-Fi router to eliminate any temporary glitches that might be interfering. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, such as iOS 18.1 or Android 15, and that the Optimum app is running the latest version. Verify that the Optimum app has the necessary permissions, particularly for location and microphone access. If the issue continues, reset your network settings to clear any configuration problems. If you've tried all steps and suspect a hardware issue, such as a faulty SIM card, contact Optimum support for assistance.